How to add Amazon affiliate link to your TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about adding an Amazon link to your TikTok profile. So first of all, go ahead and open your TikTok application or the website on your device. And if you're using mobile device, you can go ahead and open Chrome. Then after, go to amazon.com. Go ahead and select or simply tap on any product that you like. Tap on the share icon and then tap on copy link of the product that you prefer. Now go to TikTok, open your profile, and then tap on edit profile, which is highlighted in red color. You will see the section of bio. Simply go ahead and paste it over here. You can also write Amazon product and then click on save in the bottom. But if you're using mobile device and you already have 1,000 or more followers in your TikTok account, you will see the option of link, and there you can add more links to your profile besides Instagram and YouTube. So once you're able to paste the link of Amazon in your profile page, it will appear in your TikTok bio or the link. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.